Once you have finished those steps and you have uploaded your designs to the album proofer, the album proofer will automatically email the client to whichever email you put into the client email at the initial setup of the proof. And this is what it looks like. You can see our logo here, the copy header, and then the text in which we also inputted into that email screen. The client will then be prompted to start proofing by clicking the link here. When they click on that start proofing button, this is the website that will pop up. And as you can see, it is exactly as we designed it in the album proofer portion of Fungi Designer. There are now two options. As you can see on the left hand side here, you can select the slideshow or proof designs. Selecting view slideshow will open up a separate window where the slideshow will load in and we'll be able to view. Once you have viewed the slideshow, click on the proof designs, and the pop-up which we typed in earlier will be the first thing that will appear. This will prompt them on how to make changes, comment and approve the album. They have to click agree to get through to the next part. And once they have clicked agree, you can see here that we have the album proof, the wall art proof and the card proof all in the same place. To view any of these, they will simply have to select view, and this will open up the sample album. At the bottom there are arrows in which they can scroll through the album one by one to see exactly what we have designed for them.